The Z plus security cover that had been given to former Army Chief General V.K. Singh has now been withdrawn, and that security cover has been withdrawn largely because of the protest that the former Army Chief has been taking part in. You're seeing the images from one such protest on your screen right now. Remember, he was at the Ram Leela Maidan, he was at Jantar Mantar along with Baba Ramdev, protesting against the Delhi gang rape. Now the government has decided to withdraw all security cover provided to the former Army Chief. He was given the Z plus security cover until the 30th of November, but in a review meeting, the Ministry of Home Affairs took a decision that he does not require any protection. Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant now joins us for more. Why was this decision taken, Gaurav?
This is a part of a review, a security review is what sources are telling us. But clearly it smacks of vendetta politics of this government. General V.K. Singh, former Chief of the Army Staff, has taken the government head on more than one occasion. His relations with the government were not at the best even while he was the Chief of the Army Staff post 16th of January 2012. But once he retired, the norm is that for a period of 1 year, the outgoing chief or the just retired Chief of the Army Staff continues to enjoy Z plus security for 1 year. He's also given us a government home in Delhi cantonment. Now this is more a norm than the rule. But in this case, since the general was seen with the forces which are seen against the government, there's been a review of his security. That's one. Point two, there are also feelers that are going out to the general to vacate the government house that he enjoys. Security at his Delhi cantonment house had already been withdrawn, but now sources are telling us that he's also being politely asked that if you want to meet the people you meet, if you want to meet all these politicians and several other such people from civil society, the army is not very comfortable with those elements entering the Delhi cantonment and vitiating the environment. And that is why it would be better if the general shifts to a civilian area.
But technically, can the Home Ministry do something like that, Gaurav? Is it a breach of protocol if General V.K. Singh mingles with the likes of Baba Ramdev or Arvind Kejriwal or addresses public meetings? Can the former Army Chief challenge this decision, this directive of the government?
Legally, perhaps he can, but this is more a norm than the law. Security given to a former army chief is based on the threat perception that he faces. For example, several generals who fought in Sri Lanka in IPKF, they continue to enjoy security. There are generals who commanded missions, the Operation Blue Star. General Brar continues to enjoy security even now. So it all depends on the threat perception. And in the government's perception, there is no threat to the life of General V.K. Singh, and that is why the Z plus security, there was a review and that Z plus security cover has been withdrawn or is being withdrawn.
But is it entirely coincidental? Because you've been speaking to your sources within the defense establishment, some retired defense officers as well as serving defense officers. What's the view that they hold about this move?
Within the armed forces, many serving officers are rather uncomfortable about General V.K. Singh taking on this semi-political avatar. If he were to become a politician, perhaps contest elections, he's well within his rights to do so. But the ghirao of parliament, till the time he was Chief of Army Staff, he was sworn to the constitution to protect the parliament and the democratic institutions. But then, when he says this government should step down, this government should change, we should ghirao the parliament, and that all that is okay. There were many who were very uncomfortable with statements like these. But then he is former Chief of the Army Staff. The army says they'd be extremely uncomfortable should the police have had to arrest him in any situation. Now there is a case that's been registered against the former Chief of the Army Staff. So this is something which is a very grey area. It's never happened in the country in the past. Okay. But the general, as a free citizen, is free to do what he feels like.
Well, we're still waiting for a reaction from retired General V.K. Singh. For now, thank you very much, Gaurav Sawant, for joining us with the updates on that breaking news.